Hey there, traders and aspiring investors. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of trading with a beginner's guide. So, whether you're a seasoned investor looking to brush up on your skills or a complete novice, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's understand what trading is all about. In simple terms, trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more. Traders aim to profit from the price movements of these assets. It's like a dynamic game of strategy and analysis. Now, let's explore the different types of trading strategies out there. We have day trading, which involves making multiple trades within a single day. Swing trading, where positions are held for several days or weeks. And long-term investing, where you hold onto assets for an extended period, often years. If you're excited to begin your trading journey, hold your horses. There are some essential steps to take before you jump in. First, set clear financial goals and determine your risk tolerance. Remember, trading has both potential rewards and risks, so be prepared. Next, create a solid trading plan. This plan should outline your strategy, entry and exit points, and risk management techniques. A plan will help you stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. To make informed trading decisions, you need to understand market analysis. There are two main types: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating the financial health and performance of a company, while technical analysis uses charts and patterns to predict price movements. Risk management. It's the holy grail of successful trading. Always remember that not every trade will be a winner. To protect your capital, use risk management techniques like position sizing, stop-loss orders, and diversification. Additionally, managing your emotions is crucial. Avoid falling into the trap of FOMO, fear of missing out, or greed. Stay disciplined and stick to your trading plan. Alright, now that you're ready to trade, you'll need a reliable broker. Look for one with low fees, excellent customer support, and a user-friendly platform. Remember, your broker is like your trading partner, so choose wisely. Knowledge is power, and that's especially true in trading. Educate yourself with reputable resources like books, online courses, and websites. Continuous learning will be your best friend on this trading journey. And that's a wrap, traders. I hope you found this beginner's guide to trading helpful. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and continuous learning, it can be a rewarding venture. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on trading, investing, and personal finance. If you have any questions or want to share your trading experiences, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy trading! Before we part ways, a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Happy trading! Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and have a fantastic day.